How to share Spotify Wrapped 2025 on Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, in order to share your Wrapped, tap on the Wrapped option on top of your screen you see there, and now tap on the Let's Go option you see there. Further, you will be able to view your Wrapped, so scroll through and tap on the summary option you see there, and you will then see the option for share. So tap on the share button you see there, and then go ahead and select the stories option you see there for Instagram, and you will then be led to your Instagram story. So here, go ahead and make any required changes such as adding the text or stickers or music or effects, etc. Finally, tap on the Your Story option you see there, and with this, Spotify Wrapped 2025 will be shared to your Instagram story. So, this is how you can share Spotify Wrapped 2025 on Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.